Hello everyone. Hello my dear friends. I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and we on this channel are talking about knitting, crocheting, tapestry, knotting, whatever you like. Anything to do with creation, with crafts and hobbies, I am here for you to talk about. So in this video we are talking about knitting hats. Yes, it's about knitting hats, and we are talking about these two hats. These two hats are the same but just in different color. The same pattern in different color. You see, the same pattern in different yarn, with a different yarn. And here I have the third starting hat, the third one that I'm doing exactly like this too. So it's the same pattern as this two, but in a different color, in the yarn that it is this. This is just stunning. This is acrylic, this is breathable, it washes brilliantly, and it's just so amazing. And it's easy to knit this pattern, and I thought to do in this color because I just absolutely am in love with this color. Absolutely in love with this color. And I also like this amazing pattern. This pattern is quite difficult to do. It takes a while to do a row, yes, but also it requires quite a little bit of strength, quite a lot of strength on your fingers. When you do knit these loops, you need to hold, you need to bend the yarn, you need to like adjust it. It takes a while, yes, and your fingers may ache after a while of doing this hat, and after doing this pattern, and but it's just amazing. This is the back. The back looks like a purl stitch, like a back stitch, purl stitch, yeah. And I love in green. I had a yarn made of green color, and I thought I have to do this pattern because I'm just in love with this pattern so much. It's almost like a free leaf pattern. If you look at smaller detail of this pattern, it's like free leaves. It's just stunning. And this hat is brilliant, is beautiful. This is, I don't know even what color it is because it's so amazing. And the pattern is just crazy. It's almost like a foot of a chicken or something like that, or of any bird. It's almost like free like this, you know. It's amazing. It's stunning pattern, and it's also warm because it's acrylic, so it has to be warm this winter. I also made this hat which I'm wearing. It's the same pattern, and it's the same pattern but just red color. So as you can see, it's the same pattern. Because I love this pattern so much, I thought I'm going to do more hats in this pattern, but just in different colors, in the same design but different colors. And I am just amazed of how it turns out to be and how good it looks and everything. So that's how I do it. Now let's talk about these hats. This hat in particular. This hat I love so much. The color is adorable. The color, I think you would agree with me, the color is amazing. It's very unusual color. I could say it's sort of a mix between green and yellow and beige. Maybe something like that. And I just love it. And at the same time, it's like, it looks classic. I mean, the color itself looks classic. I've actually knitted a jumper from this color, and I'm going to make a new video with that jumper and me wearing that jumper to show you how it looks in this color. And I'll do a try and haul on my main channel. Maybe you can have a look if you like to. And I absolutely adore this hat. I think it turned out to be better than expected. As you can see, the circle at the top is just fine, and the stitching, I've done the mattress stitch here. Here you see, you can barely see it. It's done very well. I've done it very slowly and accurate. And this is the back stitch. You can see the ends, the tails of the thread, where I've hidden the stitch, and it's exactly my size. Yes, it's the size of my head. And this particular pattern is stunning. If you like, please give me a hint. Please leave a message and tell me what would you like for me to do in my next videos with this particular pattern. I think I will definitely do my best to do a garment that you may think this pattern would look nice, and I would do it with pleasure for you. So thank you very much. I'm telling you ahead in case you're going to give me a hint of what other items would suit this pattern, particular design. I love this pattern. This hat is also stunning. As you can see, it's the circle at the top of the head is just fine. The stitch at the back, it's done carefully by me, and You can see the tails here where I've hidden the yarns, the ends of yarn. And I think, as you can see, this is a darker color, this is a lighter color. It looks fantastic one against another. I think it looks absolutely amazing. This probably would look like evening wear, the green one, evening wear, and this one daytime wear, possibly. That's how I see it. And I think this design definitely suits, this pattern definitely suits a simple shape hat. And this is a simple shape hat. It's more or less a classic basic shape of a hat. So it's nothing complicated to do. It's simple. I've made it, I've knitted on 2 needles. Yes, 2 needles. And then these 2 needles were size 350 thickness, so it's not too big, it's not too small, it's just about right for this particular thickness of yarn, because this yarn is, as I said, acrylic. So thank you very much for your friendship, for your subscription, for subscribing. Thank you very much for everything, and love you lots. See you soon in another video. Bye.